Good evening and happy Friday, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. It's a big weekend for the VectorVest community. We're going to have our 2-day investment seminar held tomorrow and Sunday in Las Vegas. So get excited. So in tonight's presentation, in case you cannot come join us live in Las Vegas this weekend, I wanted to walk you through where you can watch the presentation on YouTube as well, give you some useful information going forward and seeing exactly how this investment seminar can help you in your investment goals going forward. So let's go ahead and take a look at this link. And on top of that, as a special treat for sticking to the end, I'm going to utilize the NPI. That's right, the near perfect indicator, which I'm giving a speech on in Las Vegas, how we're going to utilize it to show when we can find some potential opportunities with one of the biggest and hottest AI names in the market. So when you go to VectorVest.com/stream, STREAM, the link is in the description down below. This is the screen you'll come to. You can see the Las Vegas 2-day investment seminar held September 20th and 21st, 2025. Again, this is this Saturday and Sunday. If you can't attend in person, just click on the register free link here and you'll be notified right when the event starts. That way you won't miss any vital information. Now, as I scroll down, if I click on the agenda here, let's take a look and see exactly what we'll be discussing this week. It's a 2-day event. The first event here will be at 9:10 a.m. what Wall Street does not want you to know, followed by a strategic approach for decoding market trends, followed by the winning formula blueprint for successful investing. Now, after lunch, we'll have ETF trends, essentials, and opportunities, maximizing returns with ETF strategies, investing with precision. And then we'll finish the day with a special presentation, the future of stock market guidance at VectorVest. Now on day 2, again, a lot of information this week, and that's why I want it on your radar so you can put more tools in your investing tool belt. Now that morning, we will kick off with crafting a secure retirement, a path to financial freedom. Now we are going to cover options this weekend. So from options trader, strategic options, income generation. On top of that, mastering market moves, the power of the NPI, the near perfect indicator. That is the speech I will be giving. Now, after lunch, we will have elevate your swing trading. And to finish off the event that afternoon, we'll have taking your control, turning plan into action. So you can see just after going over that agenda briefly here, a lot of different strategies. So a little bit for everyone there. So whether you're just a trader, options, ETFs, or a long-term investor, information for everyone. So again, the event is free and you can watch it from the comfort of your own home. Now, if you do want to attend in person, it's not too late. Again, as long as your schedule allows it, hey, it's $95. The course is on sale right now. So if you want to attend, just go to VectorVest.com/Vegas. Now, just below the countdown clock, we do have the hotel information. We'll be staying at the Venetian Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now that everyone has all the information they need for the 2-day investment seminar this weekend, let's go ahead and jump in the VectorVest 7 system and take a look at the NPI. Now, I'm not going to cover every detail of the NPI, better yet known as the near perfect indicator system. Now, this was a system developed by Dr. Alito himself alongside with Stan Heller and Ray Clark. Now, this system has been used by many of our subscribers, and I've seen some big hits by many of them over the last few years. So I'm pretty honored to give this speech this week. And so tonight I want to give you a little teaser, and I figured NVDA, I know a lot of you may own this stock or thinking about when to purchase some more NVIDIA. So we're going to use the NPI for just a moment to give you a brief preview of some of the information that you'll gain this weekend by taking part in the Las Vegas 2-day investment seminar. Now, it does utilize 2 moving averages with their stop price giving us a sense of trend, and down below we do have 2 moving averages of RT giving us a sense of trigger. Now, very simply put, again, this information is going to be covered more in depth detail this weekend. But look at the sense of trend here. Now, we know NVIDIA was in a downtrend in the first half of the year, right? A lot of the stocks were during the tariff turmoil. But if we notice, the trend started becoming more favorable back in May, and the price action of NVIDIA, if we take a look at the close that day, was around 135. And now with price action hovering around 180, this gave you a great early sense of when trend would be in the favor of the bulls when it comes to NVIDIA. And down below, you can see the trigger here. Now, we did get trigger beforehand. That's typically when you be a little bit more aggressive in nature. If you want to open up a partial position, that one as early as April, and with price action to close that day around $108. Again, NPI, a great strategy to get you in stocks early and looking at trend analysis and with the momentum with that trend. And we can see right now, look at the RT moving averages down below. We notice that the RT5 crossed below the 40-day moving average of RT back on July 28th with price action that closed that day around 176. Price action currently at 177.66. We're still around that area. So you can see momentum for the bulls has waned, but just some optimism for the bulls in the near future. Look at RT now, the 5-day starting to converge closer to that 40-day, showing me that NVIDIA may be refueling for another rally here in the near future. But that time is yet to be determined, or if it will happen. But this is a very powerful tool, and I just wanted to put it on your radar and let you know that we'll be going to much further detail on this strategy over the weekend, along with many other strategies. So I hope to see many of you there and hear your feedback in the comment section. Now, if you found this video informative, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. It's a great time to subscribe so that way you can join us for the Las Vegas 2-day event. Have a good night.